This is so embarrassing. Needs definitely a little bit of a clean out. I have done many videos where I do a room transformation, even its own video where I do a deep clean of my entire room. And every time I clean my closet, I clean my clothing rack, and still you guys tell me every time, please make a closet clean out video. And I'm sitting here being like, didn't I just do that? But no, I know you know that my closet needs help. I'm trying to avoid doing that. Y'all are keeping me accountable and making sure I clean my room. So here we are. As you saw in the previous clips, my closet is a lot to handle right now. There's a lot in it. It's definitely not needed. I know you guys have been asking me to set up a depop for so long now, and finally today is the day where we're gonna go through my clothing rack, my closet, my dresser, the other closets that I have in my house, and we're finally gonna sell some stuff. And if not, we're gonna donate it, and we're gonna go through this together. Please subscribe if you're new, and stick around for many videos just like this one. I need to show you guys everywhere that I have clothes. This is slightly embarrassing, but it's gotta be done. First up, we've got the main closet. I don't even want to go through this. That's its own problem. Normally, I would put all my long sleeves here, but as you can see, I have not been very good at keeping it organized. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff there. Moving on this side, this is supposed to be my t-shirts, but once again, there's a lot of long sleeves in here, so this needs to be organized. Then I've got a bunch of dresses up here, some dresses up here. This guy is praying for help. I have some gym clothes, more gym clothes. These are basically all leggings, but I don't even know what this is. There's like tank tops and like leggings in here. Then we have a little sock drawer that literally has a dress in there. We have a bunch of skirts and shorts, and then some pants. On this side, we have hoodies, some long sleeves, random hangers. And then on the other left side, we have like hoodies and sweatshirts, pajama tops in here. I can't even look through it. Some more pants. This is actually gymnastics and cheer stuff that I don't even do anymore, so we need to get rid of this. And then this is my random drawer of like hats and beanies and all that. Then we'll move on to the clothing rack. This is where I'm currently hanging all my jackets and like outerwear. Before, I used to have a bunch of like sweaters, and I used it more as decoration with the springtime and having spring sweaters, but since it is super cold right now, having one of these is actually very useful to keep your like outerwear on. Then we've got the dresser. In this first drawer, we have like my bras and underwear. Literally, what is this? I have a bunch of tank tops, a bunch of shirts. It's so unorganized right now. Don't know what this is either. I think there's like tank tops and shorts. There's a bathing suit there. There's some gym shorts here. And in the last drawer, we have some more gym clothes. Now, as you can see, I even have these to organize, but I just haven't done a good job at it. Now, you thought I was done, but I'm not done. There is a closet in the outside of my room, like the main hallway of my house, where my family would put like blankets and like towels and like all that kind of miscellaneous stuff. Yet I hijacked it and I put all my sweatpants, hoodies, crew necks, zip ups. And guys, I'm embarrassed to show you this. My mom took it all out and put it in the living room because she's like, you gotta deal with this. I am not cleaning it. And when I tell you it is a tower of clothing, I'm embarrassed, but let's go look at it. Literally, what is this? I have so much stuff, and this is actually stuff that I use. It's literally all on the floor. I even have 3 boxes full of swimwear. Here's some more sweatpants. Some of these styles are definitely older and they're from like Shein and cheaper stores, so I definitely want to get rid of some of this. And I also have some more jeans on here. I have some jackets, and I have a vest right there. The last thing I want to show you guys is my closet downstairs, where I have a bunch of accessories and shoes, and I think I'm gonna have to get rid of some of those too. And as you can see, it's all behind me. This is actually my filming room, but my dad actually took it back to use it as his office, and I have basically used it as like my 3rd closet. So as you can see, I have stuff I actually wear, and I even have 2 garbage bags of clothes that I already have gone through and need to get rid of. So we'll deal with this later when we're actually on the depop step. Anyways, as you can see, it's really bad. It's all throughout my house, and I think this is the worst it's ever gotten. I'm gonna have a mochi before I start cleaning. It should be a reward, but I think I need it as motivation at this point because I'm scared for how long this is gonna take. I'm gonna go through my entire closet and just chuck on my bed anything that I don't want. literally have this much gym stuff, like cheer, gym, like sports bras, like Nike Pros, and I don't even do cheer or gymnastics anymore, which is really depressing. This is when it comes to one of those stages where you're like, do I get rid of it or do I keep it? Because there's things that are really cute in here that I don't want to let go of. Like, are you kidding me? This is adorable. One of my first viral videos was actually a cheer competition vlog, so if you haven't watched it, go watch that. This is the cutest sports bra ever. So far, this is just the stuff in my room, and this is already the size of the pile. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm not gonna keep, and I'll explain why I'm not keeping it, but for now I'm gonna go into the living room and make another pile of things that I don't want, just so that I can get all the stuff that I don't want out of the way. It's kind of sad getting rid of so many things because I always feel like there's potential for me to wear it again, but realistically, I just don't need this much clothes, and it would probably be worn a lot more by somebody else rather than me. So let's deal with the living room. Is fur still in? I'm gonna get rid of this black bag because I have this one, and this one's actually like vintage, and this one is from Shein. Honestly, I don't really love Shein anymore. Don't know what this is. Also can't tell if like these ones are still in. Also, I want to point out, I always say in my videos when I'm doing fashion stuff, I'm like, is this still in? Is this still in? I think this is a trend. And I always get comments of people being like, girl, if you like it, just wear it, which I totally agree with. But at the same time, if I'm doing like a trendy type of video for you guys to know what is trending, I don't want to use something that's not trending. This bag, I don't think I've ever worn. It's just so small. This bag, on the other hand, is way too big. Oh my god, I'm actually tired from going up the stairs. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the things that I'm deciding to throw away that was in my current rooms. Obviously, I'm not gonna go through every single piece because there's way too much, but you guys will see it on my depop, so you guys can scroll through there. For example, this is the cutest half blazer, half skirt. It doesn't even fit me. It doesn't cover my boobs. This sweater, super cute. I got an iconic picture in it. I could wear it again without taking a photo in it, but when I have so much clothes, I could wear literally anything else, and I think I'm prioritizing more wearing the pieces that I haven't worn before and I haven't taken a photo in, which this one, I just don't think I'll wear it again. This skirt, I actually never wore, but I am not really a fan of the cut. It's from Princess Polly, super cute. These jeans were my favorite. They're from Pakistan, but they're kind of skinny near the end, and I kind of like flared jeans more now. This jacket, I've never worn before. It's a leather jacket, but I'm not really a fan of this type of leather jacket. I like the oversized leather jacket. Sweater vest, I definitely got my good wear out of it. This is from Shein. I just don't need it anymore. I wore it a lot last year. These jeans were my literal favorite jeans ever when I was in high school. They fit so well, and they were the perfect mom jeans, but now I'm more about the boyfriend jean and the oversized jean, so I just don't need them. And honestly, I thrifted these and they were my greatest find. They're so flattering. I have this skirt, which I thrifted. I think I had like, you know, those goggles when you go thrifting, you think something's nice and you come home and you're like, literally, what is that? That is this. This dress, I've also never worn, but it's so small and hardly zips over my boobs. Got the super cute Gymshark leggings, but they're low-waisted and I don't think I've ever worn them. Okay, this dress, if you follow me on anything, you've probably seen because I've worn it a few times and I basically let every single one of my friends wear it, so it's like, it's just been passed around and it needs a new owner. We'll do like 3 more pieces. This fuzzy cardigan, adorable, not my style. I also have a yellow cardigan, not really my style, and also I got a size too big, so the arms are just like so long. Got some purple sweaters, pink sweaters. A lot of these little cardigans, when quarantine first started, I went through a Shein phase, and I think everybody else did too. That was like before I started making money off YouTube. Now I can afford things that are more expensive or higher quality or more ethically made. I also think I wore this probably 3 times. I also have a bunch of tube tops that are just not my style anymore. I also am getting rid of so many tank tops because I have so many tank tops that it's just like, I just don't need it. I don't need it. This one isn't even mine. I need to figure out whose this is. And like this classic Shein tank top, I've actually worn this in a video before, but I'm just, I feel like when quarantine first started, Shein and like fashion was like such a popular thing and everybody was getting into it and everybody was getting their aesthetic. I was just wanting to blend in. The aesthetic that I wanted was the pastel, like purple shirt, purple skirt, purple scrunchie, whatever. And now that I've matured more into my own fashion sense, I'm like, I'd rather invest in a piece that I'm actually gonna wear, or something a little bit more high quality, or something timeless like leather or basics and stuff. And now I'm like, I need to get rid of all this stuff that I splurged on like 2 years ago, basically pre-COVID. I don't know if this happens to you too, but whenever I think of myself like before the pandemic, like I don't think that was me. One more disclaimer, I haven't cleaned my closet probably at least not in 3 years. So this is all accumulation of like so many years. It is now time to do the actual organizing, and I'm gonna start off with doing my dresser and then my closet. My mom bought me these organizing things a while ago, but I feel like they've just made it harder for me to keep everything separate just because I have so much stuff and it's just like taking up unnecessary space. So I might take those out. I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna see like what works the best, but I'm gonna go through all these drawers. Let's get started. I'm gonna play a YouTube video. Right now I'm watching Claudia Salewski. I just love her vlogs. Shorts I'm really debating on. They're Gymshark and I've never even worn them before, but they're so short and they literally show half my butt, so I think I'm gonna sell them. I feel like somebody that's smaller than me might wear this more often because it's not gonna actually go up their bum. But these are really cute and they're like never worn. This is one of those items where I don't know if I should get rid of it because I'm like, this could come in use. But honestly, I have so many shorts already that maybe I can sacrifice this one. We're done with this drawer. I know there's still a lot there, but I actually threw a lot of it out, and these are all things I actually wear. I feel like it's still an excessive amount, but maybe in the next closet clean out, I will have some detachment from these pieces. I'm gonna work on the next section. My mom has put a ton of tank tops in here. Actually, I think this could stay. I just need to reorganize it and like get rid of stuff. Here we have the last drawer. I just have a bunch of socks in here. I have some tights, and then in here I put some gloves that I have, a bunch of beanies, and then I have a bunch of hats behind here, but we're just gonna leave that there. And then I have this like headband. Okay, I've kind of made a mess here. There is clothes everywhere in my room and it's stressing me out. So far we've organized all my dresses here. I know I still have a lot, but a lot of these I've never actually worn before. Then on this other side, I have skirts. These are like a lot more structured skirts, tennis skirts, and then I have like smaller skirts, like mini skirts. And then over here, I have like yoga pants and looser pants. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay here, but then I have jeans, I have Dickies. These are from IMGA. And then I have leather pants here and some trousers at the bottom. Next thing I'm gonna do is take out all the hangers that aren't white because I wanna go with like an all white theme, and then organize all the things that are on the hangers into t-shirts, long sleeves, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with these two. Sweatpants collection to this, but this is literally still insane. But trust me, I've already decided to not keep any of these, but I actually feel like I wear all of these. Maybe if I don't, it'll be for the next closet clean out that I'll take them out. have the dresses, we have the skirts, more comfy pants to put here, my actual jeans, leather pants, and then I put some sweaters and sweater vests down there. In here, I have some shorts and like summery items like overalls. Here, I have a few bags. I have a sweater that I didn't want to hang just so that it wouldn't get loose. My birthday dress. I have some other knit bags down there. In here, I actually don't have anything, so I'm gonna have to figure out what needs to go in here. And I have some comfy lounge sets that take up a lot of space. All my t-shirts, all my long sleeves. I'm gonna put here like workout t-shirts, so I don't have my Lululemon ones on here, but they will soon be there, and a North Face jacket. Here's like a workout hoodie, and then I just put chunky sweaters on here. This is gonna be for underwears and bras. This section I didn't show earlier. It's a little bit stuffed still. I have pajama t-shirts, pajama shorts, and then a whole bunch of tank tops. The next day. I'm actually using a friggin' Snapchat filter because I look so bad, but I finished my closet clean out. You guys saw the after, saw the process. It definitely took a while. It took me like 4 days to film this video because I was procrastinating cleaning my room, but finally it's done. I feel so much better. The pile of clothes that you guys saw, I think I'm gonna do depop, but at the same time I think I'm gonna get my friends to go over first and see whatever they like so they can have like first pick. So yeah, that's gonna take time in itself, so I couldn't add it into this video just because I know it's gonna take so much longer. But my depop is my name, Fernanda Ramirez. It's the same as my Instagram with 2 A's in my last name. Go follow it because when I do post my stuff on there, I'll make sure I post it on my community tab. You guys will definitely be notified when that is going up so you guys can shop the items yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, thank you for 600K. Literally insane. I love you guys and I'll talk to you shortly.